All right, Steve, tonight's big story, a deal's been reaching out to help out homeowners hurt by the mortgage crisis. State and federal officials working with the Bank of America, Citi, Chase, GMAC, and Wells Fargo.
They agreed on $25 billion. $136 million of that will come right here to New York. Fox 23's Tori Wells is live in Guilderland tonight. Tori, break it down for us, if you will.
And John, this money will help those who lost their homes because of improper foreclosure. It will help some refinance, others lower the principal on their mortgage. And this deal will allow for more investigation into what went wrong. For hundreds of thousands of families, the past few years have been marked by bad housing news. Now, a change.
Good news is on its way. It's going to take a little bit of time before it gets to their front door.
State and federal officials settling a $25 billion deal with 5 of the country's biggest mortgage lenders. Part of that plan, $2,000 checks for victims of improper foreclosures.
For a lot of the people that I've seen, however, it might be it's too late. It's just been going on far too long, and they've lost a lot of money.
While that money may not go far enough, attorney Graig Zappia says there are other aspects of this deal that could help some. The plan also includes money to help struggling homeowners refinance and funds to modify loans for those who owe more on their house than it's worth.
Service members that lost their homes during the foreclosure crisis that are now coming back to these problems will be helped. They're one of the primary people that are going to be afforded the opportunity to refinance.
Zappia says the settlement also increases oversight to prevent so-called robo-signing of mortgages and leaves victims the flexibility to take further legal action.
Just because you receive that money or the loan modification, there'll still be other obligations that the bank didn't live up to during the loan process.
And the investigation committee President Obama announced in his State of the Union, headed by New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman, will move forward too.
I'm confident has the ability to go after all of the conduct that actually brought down the economy.
You're probably wondering, how do I qualify? Well, Zappia says there is a set of criteria. For one, you have to have your mortgage through one of those 5 banks. And then those banks are tasked with identifying the people who qualify, then contacting them. But he says it could be a good 6 to 9 months before you hear. We are live in Guilderland tonight. Tori Wells, Fox 23 News.